Think building wealth in your 20s is impossible? Think again. The decisions you make right now in your 20s can set you up for financial freedom. And yes, even millionaire status by the time you hit 40. I know, it sounds like a dream. But here's the truth. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. Stick around because step number 7 is an absolute game changer, and most people completely overlook it. If you're ready to stop stressing about money and start building real wealth, let's dive in. Step 1. Live below your means. This one might sound obvious, but it's where most people go wrong. Living below your means doesn't mean living like a hermit. It means making smart choices. Instead of upgrading to a luxury apartment or buying a flashy car, invest in things that actually grow in value. Remember, no one's impressed by the monthly payments you can't afford. Step 2. Create a budget and track expenses. Next up, budgeting. But I'm not talking about boring spreadsheets. Use apps that make it easy, like Mint or YNAB. Track every dollar. Know where your money is going. The 50-30-20 rule is a great place to start. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments. Trust me, budgeting is like flossing. It sounds annoying, but it saves you pain later. Step 3. Start investing. Early. Now, here's where the magic happens. Investing early is how you build wealth passively. Even if you can only invest $50 a month, start now. Why? Because of the power of compounding. Your money earns interest, then that interest earns more interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. It just keeps growing. And here's a fun fact. Waiting just 5 years to start can cost you tens of thousands in the long run. Step 4. Build multiple streams of income. Think one paycheck is enough? Not if you want to build serious wealth. The wealthiest people all have multiple income streams. Side hustles, freelancing, starting a small business. These are ways to diversify your income and protect yourself from financial shocks. Remember, even $500 extra a month adds up to $6,000 a year. What would you do with an extra $6,000? Step 5. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt is the enemy of wealth. Credit cards, payday loans, these are traps. Focus on paying off debt with the highest interest rates first. It's called the avalanche method, and it saves you money on interest while knocking out your debt faster. Once that's gone, you'll have more money to invest and save. Debt-free is the way to be. Step 6. Network and build skills. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with people who inspire you and push you to do better. And don't stop learning. Take courses, attend workshops, and read books. The more valuable your skills, the higher your earning potential. And no, binge-watching Netflix documentaries on money doesn't count. Step 7. Automate savings and investments. This is the ultimate hack. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. This way, you're building wealth on autopilot. You won't even miss the money because you'll never see it. Imagine waking up in 5 years and realizing you've saved tens of thousands without even thinking about it. Feels good, right? So, there you have it. 7 simple steps that anyone can follow to build wealth in their 20s. The key is consistency. Start small, but start now. Your future self will thank you.